Observe the picture and tell how you will wish them. चित्राचे निरीक्षण करा व शुभेच्छा संदेश निवडा.
First picture, Happy Diwali. Second picture, Goodbye. Third picture, Thank you. Fourth picture, Happy Birthday. And last picture, Eid Mubarak.
Very good, students. Read and remember the greetings. वाचा आणि लक्षात ठेवा. Today is 5th September. Happy Teachers Day. Second, we are celebrating Christmas. Merry Christmas. My friend is not feeling well. Get well soon. Prepare a greeting card for your mother to say her thanks. तुमच्या आईला धन्यवाद देण्यासाठी शुभेच्छा पत्र तयार करा.